Hey, everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the iPhone SE 2, the second generation, from Total by Verizon Straight Talk Wireless. So, really bought this to see how the camera does compared to one I currently use. But yeah, this is an iPhone SE second generation, so it's the previous generation, not the newest. Guys, for only $100 though from Walmart, which is crazy. You get an iPhone for $100. Come back to that in a second here. Of course, you have your little pamphlet, and then you also have your, so you can get your SIM card in there, on there as well. We have a quick startup guide. This is still rocking the lightning adapter. And of course, you have the iPhone itself. Still have the beautiful home button. I love that. So you have your lock and unlock, or your volume lock and unlock. Ringer, there we go. Volume rocker. Looks like two speakers there, along with the lightning adapter. Be for your SIM card, power button, nothing on top, one camera, and LED flash. Go ahead and pop that on off. See what happens when we turn it on. Alright, there we go. We'll do English. I'm just going to set mine up for just Wi-Fi only if I'm able to. As I said, I'm just using this for the camera. So let's see if we can even do that. It is almost dead. Alright, after doing Wi-Fi, I'll ask you about data and privacy. Or tell you about data and privacy. Touch ID if you want to set that up. And passcode. I'm not going to use one, and so I'm just going to be using this for the camera. Alright, so apps and data, you can take it from iCloud, from a Mac or PC, directly from a different iPhone, from Android, or don't transfer. I'm not going to transfer mine. Ask you to sign into your Apple ID. After you sign into your Apple ID, terms and conditions, of course, so you have to agree to them, otherwise you cannot use the phone. Next, make this your new iPhone. So you do apps and data and settings, continue or customize. Next is Siri if you wanted to use her. Alright, then there's a whole bunch of stuff here. So once you get into it, look at all this stuff. That is just fine. It says more stuff than iPads have on them, that's for sure. But if you touch and hold, keep on holding, anything with the, we'll call that the negative sign, the minus sign, it has to be minus sign, you can get rid of. So basically with Apple, really surprisingly, you can get rid of, I think, everything on here. You can even get rid of your phone and your messages if you wanted to. So yeah, whole bunch of stuff you can go and get rid of if you want to. And mine is 64 gigabyte version, and it has about 50 gigabytes left. But get rid of this stuff and it'll go way up. Alright, so I went through and deleted a whole bunch of stuff. To finish off this video, I just wanted to do a very quick Best Buy web search here. Because Best Buy is a little bit of a pain for things to load in sometimes. We can do allow while using this app. That's harder to say than I thought it'd be. And okay. And let's go ahead and we'll type in Garmin or swiping. This is a pretty small phone. There we go. I was trying to type in the Garmin watch. It apparently does not know what Garmin is. So this is, of course, just on my Wi-Fi, like I said. But it is fast. Like, this is $100 phone. Well, from what I paid for it. Only $100. It's pretty fast. It's really impressive. Definitely faster than my old Samsung Note 8. That's for sure. Alright guys, thank you for watching. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.